Hey guys, we're here today to pit rubber against stainless steel brake lines. Now this is a video I've actually done in the past, but the big issue was I did the before with the rubber hoses in 17-degree weather in Maine, and then I did the after with the stainless steel brake lines in 60-degree weather in Virginia on two different surfaces. It's gonna get mixed results. Yes, the stainless steel seemed to do better, but I don't really know for sure, because with cold brakes, that's gonna slide a little bit further, so it may accentuate the difference between the rubber and stainless steel. So this time, I made sure both days we went out were very similar. Cloudy / sunny, a little bit of both, 65, 70 degrees, a little windy. They're both very, very, very similar days, especially in temperature. So it should yield a lot better results. Now the brake lines I went with were 034 Motorsports stainless steel lines, and their construction is fantastic. They work very well. I have a video coming out on how they perform in daily drivability with the butt dyno report. I know we're usually with power mods, but now we're getting into handling and braking. It's gonna be fun. Check it out. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna start with some runs with the rubber brake hoses, see what we can do, see the benchmark that we can set that the stainless steel lines have to beat. So let's take it to the car. Oh, and don't mind the long hair. It took a while to film these videos. As always, safety comes first. It's too tight. Can't breathe. Okay. Safety first. It's amazing. I can't really hear anything. So this is run number 1, 40 miles an hour to 0. Committed. Got that ABS in there. Let's measure it. All right, pretty good. Run number 1. We're on our way for run number 2 right now. This helmet's really big and it's making me have a little bit of a hunchback, but safety first, every time. Good stuff. Let's go measure it. It's on with run number 3. A little bit further on that one, so we're gonna really try to full commit on this one. The last and final run on the rubber hoses, and then we are going to take the average and then crunch some numbers against the stainless steel lines when we get those put in. It's hard trying to hit 40 in a parking lot, I'll tell you what, but it's fun. A lot of slippage on that one. This one's further, I think, too. First one might have been the best. I think the first one was the best. We'll see. Those were some pretty decent runs with the rubber brake hoses, but we're gonna pit them against stainless steel once we get them installed and take it back out. All right. We are back with stainless steel brake line runs. New lines are in. Safety first, as always. But if you want to watch the full install video of the 034 Motorsport stainless steel brake lines, please head over to my YouTube channel. I mean, I don't know why I say head over to my YouTube channel. If you want to go find something and watch my stuff, I feel like you're just going to head over there naturally. But we're going to try to beat this first run, and we're gonna try to beat 54 feet with these stainless steel brake lines. Tall task from 40 miles an hour. The brakes on this car are already pretty good, so we're just trying to get a little bit of a bite, maybe 3 or 4 feet saved. That would be ideal. So we're gonna do it with run number 1, trying to beat 54 feet.
Oh, think we did it, and I stalled. Yeah. I honestly think we just beat 54 feet. I think we did it. I was so focused on hitting specifically 40 that I forgot to take that a second. So I stalled. It's okay. Behind the scenes stuff from the parking lot mechanic. We hit 49 feet. That is about almost 5 feet shorter than the shortest with the rubber hoses. That means that bite is getting there for a couple of feet, but we're going to try for run number 2 to beat 49 feet now. A little bit of slip, a little bit of slip. I don't think that one was the same. We're doing run number 3. We have hit 49 feet twice in a row. That is super impressive. We're gonna see if we can't beat it. I think run 2 slipped a little bit, but we're in for another run. Oh, oh, that was a really good one. Let's see how we did.
So I've got the numbers right here for both the rubber and stainless steel brake lines, and I'll tell you what, it was pretty fun and some pretty good results. So the runs for the rubber, run number 1 was 54 feet, 2 was 62 feet, and 3 was 59 feet. So the average there was 58.3 feet. Then I went to the stainless steel brake lines. The first run was 49 feet, the second run was also 49 feet, and the third run was 46 feet for an average of 48 feet. Now that is a 17% decrease in stopping distances. That's pretty good, but I will say, take run 3 with the stainless steel brake lines with a grain of salt. I kind of think I started braking 4 or 5 feet too early, so that would put it around the 48 to 50 foot stopping distance. So taking an average of 48, even with this 46 included, to me, seems pretty fair still. But the stainless steel brake lines are better. There's a 17% difference. Now that is absolutely slamming these brakes from 40 miles an hour to 0. Now you're not really gonna do that too much in everyday driving, but you've got that better stopping when it counts. Now I know brake pads and rotors are probably gonna yield even better results, and now we've got, I'll say 46. Now we've got 46 feet to beat with pads and rotors once we get those installed. I'm really looking forward to that. That is gonna be fun. I mean, 46 feet, 40 to 0, that's pretty darn good, in my opinion. I mean, even just driving, you plant it and that thing just bites. You can tell there's a point where the rubber would start to expand a little bit, so it softens that pedal, but when you slam it with these stainless steel lines, it just holds so much firmer, and it is fantastic. Got a butt down report video coming out, like I've said, with just talking more and more about daily drivability, but this, we wanted to back up with some numbers. I think that was pretty good. Honestly, that was very fun, hitting the speeds in a parking lot. Very adventurous. I really liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.